I'm NASA Kennedy's LaShonda Battle, and I'm taking you inside KSC. The final piece of NASA's Space Launch System, or SLS, for the Artemis I mission is now at Kennedy Space Center. The rocket's massive core stage arrived this week aboard the Pegasus barge from Stennis Space Center in Mississippi to the Launch Complex 39 Basin wharf. Teams with Exploration Ground Systems and Jacobs offloaded the core stage and transported it to the Vehicle Assembly Building. They now will begin the work to integrate the rocket stage with its twin solid rocket boosters and Orion crew module. The Artemis I launch will be the first integrated test of SLS in Orion. Kennedy marked Earth Day throughout the month of April with a series of presentations on sustainability. Although the speakers were virtual, the topics covered issues familiar to employees on center, including the shared responsibility of working on the Merritt Island National Wildlife Refuge and the completion of the shoreline restoration project. The lineup also included how to participate in Frog Watch citizen science and how to protect our Indian River Lagoon. This year's National Earth Day theme, Restore Our Earth, and NASA's complementary theme, Connections, illustrate how high-tech and nature coexist at Kennedy. For more Inside KSC, check us out on social media and at nasa.gov/Kennedy.